On Monday, after USDA raised soybean crop conditions 5% in the good to excellent category. Michelle Rook is back with more on that in today's Markets Now.
A down day in the markets on Tuesday. Allison Thompson from the Money Forum joining us, and really a risk-off day on Tuesday. Hit all of the commodities, didn't it, Allison?
Yeah, broad market sell-off across the board. Obviously started with financial markets. Overnight, we did see Fitch actually warned of downgrading the U.S. credit rating again on some banks. So that definitely didn't help the banking sector this morning. And on top of that, we did receive some news overnight from the Chinese economy, which didn't bode well either, especially for demand. Just the opposite of here, they're actually lowering their interest rates to try and spark their economy. Like here where we're trying to slow it down. So they're seeing just the opposite. And obviously that spurs some concern about demand. So obviously commodities fall into that. Energies and grains, and both saw pretty steep sell-offs today due to that news.
And better crop ratings than expected also hitting the grains too, right?
Yeah. Yesterday's crop condition report definitely came in better than expected for both corn and soybeans. And that just gives more amp to the bears, thinking that we're going to be seeing some better yields in future USDA reports. So it seems they're pricing that in at the moment, but actually going through the report, we are seeing our ratings higher than they were at this time last year. And to see a rating increase like this and actually see some improvement in those ratings in August is not normal. So it definitely gives us some pause on what that means for yield.
And technically, December core did not have a good day, closing below the July low, right?
Yeah, we've all been watching that one here for a couple months. And so far it had been holding this week and looked promising that we were carving out somewhat of a bottom. But today we took it out. But even in the session, we were hoping that we could maybe come back and close above that, thinking maybe we just got some stops hit. But closing below that obviously was more to that. So we'll have to see what happens here. Hopefully today's low is the low. But really that 470 level is the next area to watch. If we continue to fall below that, we could definitely see just a spiral downward here. But on the charts, we are getting oversold. Remember, we always seem to put in a bottom when the news is the most bearish. So what else can the market take at this point? We know exports are slow. And we also know we're maybe looking at some better production. So we'll have to see what happens here going forward. But from a technical standpoint, it's just not very supportive, and at least in the near term, of giving us a boost.
Thanks for joining us as always. Allison Thompson with the Money Forum. That's Markets Now.